In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find search terms in Google Ads. If you want to understand exactly what people typed into Google before they saw or clicked your ads, this is the place to look. The search terms view reveals real user language and intent, which helps you sharpen your messaging, focus your targeting, and uncover new ideas for keywords and creative. First, open your Google Ads account. Make sure you're in the right account and looking at a time period that reflects the performance you want to analyze, so the insights you're about to see are truly representative. Next, click Campaigns. This brings you into the core view of your advertising activity, organized by campaign. From here, you can move from broad performance to the insights that explain what's driving those results. Now, click Insights. The Insights area highlights patterns across your account, surfacing trends, rising queries, and the themes that sit behind your traffic. It's designed to show not just how your ads performed, but why they performed that way. Within Insights, click Search Terms. This is the report that lists the actual queries that triggered your ads. Here, you'll see which language and ideas are resonating with your audience and how those queries relate to clicks, costs, and outcomes. Look for recurring phrases and the natural wording people use to describe their needs. Notice where the phrasing closely matches your keywords and ad copy and where it doesn't. Strong alignment tends to correlate with higher click-through rates and better conversion quality, while mismatches can reveal gaps in your keyword list or messaging. Use this view to separate high-value search terms from noise, terms that consistently bring qualified traffic point to themes you may want to emphasize in your ads and landing pages. On the other hand, searches that don't fit your offering hint that your targeting or messaging may be too broad. Pay attention to brand variations, competitor mentions, and location phrases. Each often reflects a distinct intent that can inform how you speak to different segments of your audience. As you review, look beyond raw volume. The most useful search terms combine relevance with meaningful engagement and outcomes. Track wording patterns that correlate with quality clicks and valuable actions on your site. Keep quick notes on standout phrases so you can refine your keywords, ad copy, and on-page content with confidence. That's it. By opening your account, selecting campaigns, going to Insights, and viewing search terms, you'll see the language your audience uses and the ideas that truly resonate. Use these findings to clarify your messaging, focus your targeting, and make every click more valuable.